Hello, I'm Dr. Mike. Today, we're going to give a brief introduction on obesity in pets. We will discuss some of the problems associated with being overweight, as well as some treatment options. To learn more, we will visit with Dr. April Miles, a veterinarian in Rancho Santa Margarita, California.
Obesity or overweight pets is a common problem we're seeing. We see it a lot in my hospital. And it's basically an excessive accumulation of body fat on the pet's frame. It's estimated that 40% of our general dog and cat population are overweight or even obese. Some of the causes of obesity include being overfed, eating or consuming more calories than the dog or cat is actually expending, excessive amount of treats or table scraps even, decreased amount of exercise or lack of exercise, metabolic conditions such as hypothyroidism, or just a change in the patient's lifestyle. So some of the problems associated with obesity include joint disease, cardiovascular disease, respiratory issues, diabetes, pancreatitis, and many other problems. Treatment options for obesity, well, if your veterinarian has already ruled out a metabolic condition, then certainly putting them on an appropriate diet, meaning the right number of calories for that pet. And there are prescription foods available that can help your pet lose weight. We can also prescribe certain medications to aid in weight loss, but diet and exercise tend to be very effective in weight loss. It's important to avoid feeding too many treats and avoiding table scraps while you're trying to get weight off your pet. A lot of my clients will ask me, well, how much do I feed my pet? What I tell them is it depends on the kind of food that they're eating. Generally, the back of the bag of food will have guidelines for your pet's weight and how much they should be eating. They're just guidelines, so if you find they're not losing weight on that amount fed or they're gaining weight, then you need to make the appropriate adjustments. If you're not sure how much your pet should weigh, ask your veterinarian.
It is important to understand that being overweight is not just a cosmetic issue. It can predispose pets to many health problems. Unfortunately, most pet owners don't even know that their pet is overweight. I recommend that you have your pet examined by a veterinarian on a routine basis. This is the time to ask what the ideal weight of your pet should be. If your pet is overweight, there are medications, diets, and exercise programs that can be prescribed specifically for your pet.